Hi everyone, I'm Yuti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make triangles in Adobe Illustrator. First we'll select a polygon tool. Click anywhere in the canvas. This will open a dialog box. Set the sides at 3 and then click OK. Here you go. The perfect triangle is ready. That's it. Super easy, right? You want to resize it? Just click and drag any corner, hold shift and scale it up evenly. You want to change that shape? Press A on the keyboard, which is a direct selection tool. Click the top point and drag it up or down while holding shift. This will stretch or flatten your triangle. That's it for the first one. Let's move on to the second triangle. Select a rectangle tool. Click and drag while holding a shift to make a square. Now we need to remove one corner. To do this, there has two methods. First one is using with direct selection tool. You can select any corner, any node by just selecting it, and you can simply just press delete on your keyboard, right? But remember, this will delete the line. Now you have to join both the endpoints. Take pen tool and add the line. The second one is select and delete the anchor point from pen tool. When you see a minus sign next to the pen, click any point from square to delete that point. And there you go. This is your right angle triangle. Next is using with pen tool. You can click and do it manually to create a triangle. You can later on change it with using direct selection tool. Super easy, right? That's it for today. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.